Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Grafana dashboards for your VPS metrics step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS through SSH using your favorite terminal. Once logged in, ensure you have Docker installed on your VPS. If Docker is not installed, run the command to install it based on your system requirements. Next, pull the Grafana Docker image using the command docker pull grafana/grafana. After the image has been pulled successfully, create a Docker container for Grafana. You can do this with the command docker run dp3000:3000 grafana/grafana. Now, check if Grafana is running by accessing it via your web browser at http:// your VPS IP 3000. The default login credentials are admin for the username and admin for the password. On first login, you'll be prompted to change the password. After updating your password, you will be directed to the Grafana dashboard. Next, you need to add a data source to visualize your VPS metrics. Click on the gear icon in the sidebar to enter the configuration menu. From the settings menu, select data sources. Choose the data source you wish to use for your metrics, such as Prometheus or InfluxDB. Fill in the relevant connection details for your chosen data source, such as the URL and authentication. Click Save and Test to ensure Grafana can connect to your data source. Once your data source is set up, return to the main dashboard. Click the plus icon in the sidebar to create a new dashboard. You will be prompted to add a panel to your dashboard. In the panel settings, select your data source and configure the metrics you want to display. Customize your panel by adjusting the visualization types, titles, and other settings. After configuring the panel, click Apply to add it to the dashboard. Repeat the process to add more panels for additional metrics. Once you have set up all your desired panels, finalize the layout of your dashboard. You can drag and resize the panels to fit your preferred arrangement. After you are satisfied with your dashboard, click Save Dashboard in the top right corner. Give your dashboard a meaningful name and save it for future access. Now your Grafana dashboard is set up and ready to monitor your VPS metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.